A policy designed to empower women in the banking industry is on the drawing board. It's an initiative funded by the central bank. The Bank of Papua New Guinea says it's part of economically empowering women.
Reaching out to the unbanked between 2012 and 2000 and end of 2015, we were targeting 1 million people to be reached, the unbanked population. We reached about 1.2 million, well over that number, that target, and 30% of that were women. We were hoping to get 50%.
Experts working on a bank policy to include women in corporate functions say women should be included in the country's development.
Women, when they have control of their finances, tend to spend their money on health, education, on things which actually contribute to a more viable community, and also, of course, add to the economies that they live in.
But the real challenge for the banks is empowering women in the rural areas of Papua New Guinea outside of their offices. They say it's now easier to get help from microfinance institutions to start businesses.
Almost all microbanks, they've got MIS systems that can open bank accounts even in the rural areas on a real-time basis. And you don't need to get a lot of paperwork.
Entrepreneur Ernestine Maxton Graham, who owns and operates Maxton House, a manufacturer that uses organic coconuts from Abao district, says getting loans to start businesses isn't easy.
But definitely in the coconut industry, we definitely need a lot of help, because that is a product that comes from the village, and it is the villagers that have absolutely no educational level at all. And we can't do banking system with them when we're buying coconuts. Everything has to be, it's cash.
United Nations reports suggest that women have a lot against them in Papua New Guinea, and the problem extends further from the banking services. According to their statistics, about 24% of women have wage-paying jobs. Men hold 40% of all the jobs. PNG also has a huge problem with gender-based violence. The issue has received international attention. Bethany Harriman, National EMTV News.